In this video, I want to show you how to use if statement in field calculator. I have a layer here, Brisbane Road, and I have a field here which is route type. I'm going to make a new field and call it, for example, road rank. It doesn't matter, just whatever. And short integer is fine because I want to fill it with digits like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I want to fill the cells of this field, the new field, with values, according to values in this field, the route type. For example, the values of this field, they are arterial. I want to fill this field with digit 1. And if it is, for example, district, I want to fill the cells of this field with digit 2 and so on. So if I don't know how to use if statement in field calculator, I need to select the values in this field, the route type, and then fill the cells in this field. And I have to do it for each value in route type and fill the cells in this field. And if I have plenty of values in route type, this process can be so time consuming. So what I can do is using if statement in field calculator. I click on road rank and choose field calculator. Here I need to choose my language, which is Python, and now I need to check on the show code block option, and here I'm going to write my function. It's exactly like when I define a function in editor. So I need the def keyword, and then I need to write the function name, which is road rank, and then here I'm going to introduce the parameter. You can put any name that you want. It doesn't matter. It's a parameter. You can call it X, Y, a name, whatever. And then put a colon, exactly like the syntax of function definition. And then I'm coming to the next line. In the next line, because I want to write the function body, I need an indentation. So in editor, we need a tab or 4 spaces, but here 2 spaces are fine. And I say if X is equal to, for example, arterial, I put it in a double quote because it's on a string, and I put a colon. In the next line, I need 4 spaces or 2 indentation. I say return, for example, 1. And in the next line, I say elif X is equal to, for example, district, return, for example, 2. I can have as many as elif statement that I want, but for now I just put 2 statements, and at the end I say else return 3. And here I need to call my function. I write my function name, which is road rank, and now because I'm writing the argument, I need the field's name. I can't put X again. X doesn't make sense. I need to put the field name. Sorry. I put the cursor here and then I double click on it. Pay attention to these exclamation marks. If you are writing manually, don't forget to put these exclamation marks. And then I close the parentheses and press OK. Another example for using if statement in field calculator can be for example, making a comparison between 2 fields. I want to see if the values in 2 fields are equal or not. So I'm going to make a new field. And for example, I can call it whatever I want. I'm going to call it comparison. And short integer is fine. And again, I open the field calculator. And I choose my language, which is Python, and I check on this option, show code block, and here I'm gonna write my function. So I write def, for example, I'm gonna call my function comp, and then here I can put any name that I want as parameters. So I put X and Y because now I have 2 fields, and then colon. In the next line, I need 1 indentation, which is 2 spaces. And I say if X is equal to Y, now I need 4 spaces, return 1, and else I say return -1. So if they are equal, return 1. If they are not, return -1. And now I'm going to call my function. So here as arguments, I need my field's name, which is this field, and a comma, and the other field, and press OK. Look how easily I compared the values of two fields, and only these values are exactly similar, which is future motorway, but in other cases they are different. So this field is filled with -1 in the cases that they were not the same.